We now know that glycation, when sugar sticks to proteins in your body, isn't just a side effect of high blood sugar, it's a direct driver of inflammation, aging, and chronic disease. A new study involving university students consuming ultra-processed food, admittedly nearly all of us have been there, just confirmed that glycation products, or AGEs, activate immune cells and trigger a firestorm of inflammation. Your daily blood sugar spikes are silently inflaming your body at the cellular level. These AGEs don't just form inside you, they're also coming from what you eat. But here's the solution. Controlling carbohydrates, focusing on whole proteins and healthy fats, avoiding high-heat processed foods can massively reduce glycation. If you want less inflammation, better aging, and healthier cells, cut the sugar, cut the AGEs. The science is clear. Glycation is the spark.